Those are the mini ones.
Really many nets, right?
I'm gonna take like corners.
We're gonna take shots, try to score, do some skill, and score. You're just gonna do epic things. Just
Like trick shots. So let's get started with it, guys.
Shot we're gonna be doing is the corner shot.
There it is. Yes, nice.
Guys, second trick shot we're gonna do is the header shot. And we're gonna do crazy trick shots.
He's gonna throw it in.
Let's get it.
Let's get ahead. Let's get. Yes, that went in. Nice.
What I'm doing is a football throwing shot. Throw this in the middle of this.
Whoa, yeah.
What trick shot we're gonna be doing is called the bracket.
Start. Yeah, nice. Thank you guys for watching our trick shots. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.